dark soya sauce here. You can use the normal dark soya sauce also, no problem.
Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. I have some leftover roast pork and steamed chicken from my fridge. So I decided today to give it a second life. Yeah, don't waste food. I mean, there are certain food that you shouldn't eat on the second day, but I think certain meats, most of it are quite fine if you keep it cool enough in the fridge. Yeah. So roast pork, free range chicken. This is the chicken stock I got when I steamed my free range chicken yesterday. So I have some I have some garlic, ginger, and also spring onion here. I'm just going to stir fry it. First of all, we are going to saute the ginger and garlic. Let's give it a little bit of oil. And we put in the ginger, garlic, and also the white portion of the spring onion. Let's saute this for a minute or two before we continue. Brown it a little bit to really get the nice aroma out. Once you start seeing it started to brown, now we can actually add in the roast pork. The free range chicken. Let me double check the view. Okay. Wow. It's very fragrant right now. I can smell the five spice powder actually is coming from the roast pork. Wow, super fragrant right now. Here's my chicken stock from yesterday. Let me add a little bit of water. I'm adding in a bit of Shaoxing wine here. Of course, for those who don't take alcohol, just omit the Shaoxing wine. No need to find replacement. A bit of light soya sauce. And I'm putting some sweet dark soya sauce here. You can use the normal dark soya sauce also, no problem. A bit of salt. I'm going to cover this with a lid and let it simmer for a minute or two. You don't really have to simmer it for a long time because everything inside here is already cooked, right? Wow, look at this. Whew. Almost done. I'm just going to put in some spring onion and give it a few dashes of white pepper. Done. Another beautiful dish with leftovers. We don't waste food, yeah? So here's about very simple but very flavorful stir-fry chicken and roast pork together. If you like my video, do share my video on the Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page and click to. Just come and support Appa. Thank you very much. Bye bye.